This is the context diagram of the proposed system, which represents the high-level view of the system boundary for the web application. It illustrates the basic features of the proposed project for the administrator, guest and the customer.
The administrator will enter the login details, rental policies, core rental details, reservation confirmation and user id. And then, system will provide login confirmation, rental policy information, core rental information, reservation information and transaction details. As for the guest, if not a member, registration module will be provided and the guest will be prompted to register, then the system will give the guest a preview of the details provided. Lastly, the customer enters login details, payment details, feedback, and reservation details. The system then receives the information, then confirms the login details, shows payment details, reservation details and feedback message.
This Level 1 data flow of the administrator, which includes the basic processes such as logging in, adding car rentals, managing transactions and managing reports. This is the Level 1 data flow diagram of guest entity, which includes the registration process, wherein the guest will be prompted to enter basic details such as name, address and other important information, then the registration will be confirmed by email. The Level 1 data flow diagram of the customer entity, which includes the basic features of the website for the customer such as logging in, selecting car, reserving car, paying rental and adding comment.
The first figure on the left shows the system flowchart of the whole system, then on its right is the system flowchart of registration module. Figure on the leftmost part shows when the user chose to log into the system. The next one is flowchart for the administrator panel, then the last one shows the flow where the administrator can edit web contents. The first one shows the system flowchart where the administrator can manage reservations. The second one shows the flowchart of manage cars of administrator. The first one shows the customer panel. The second one shows the rates and rentals page for the customer. The next one is the system flowchart, the My Reservations page for the customer, then the feedback page, and lastly the system flowchart for rates and rental page.
Created using Powtoon.